Oh, look at this. This is going to be so awesome. Look at this car. Don't look like a whole lot under the tarp, but we're going to undress this thing and check it out. This is going to be fun. I'm loving it. Wow. Well, I am going to start by mowing around it and cleaning it up and getting it ready to load on the trailer when it gets here. We guys best get at it. Well, looks like mowing happened. Now we can start unbearing this thing. Mustang front suspension. Well, there's not a whole lot of room in this thing. Got a shifter hooked up. There's the transmission. Here's the windshield.
Dashboard here.
There. Not sure exactly how that goes on. It goes right in there somewhere.
Yep. Got mounting bolts on the side.
I think I have it upside down. I think it goes this way. I don't know though. I'll have to look in the instructions. But that's cool.
Got a nice 4-barrel back here.
Yeah. Oh, this is probably one of the bumpers.
Yeah.
It's this stuff in the back here. Big rat's nest of wires. Whoa, and a mouse!
Yep, got a mouse.
Get him? See him?
Yeah.
Zoom in on that little boy. See him there? Oh, yeah. We're upsetting your happy little home there, Mr. Mouse.
You're kitty, kitty, kitty.
Oh, is this the top?
That might be the top.
I didn't even know there was a top that came with it. We have a roof. That's awesome. This saves so much. Oh my goodness. I am so thrilled right now. All the rubber gaskets. Man, there are so many fuse blocks that I've gotten on this project. Hinges and parts and grabbers, and I got boxes to put that stuff in because those boxes are falling apart. I'm not sure what all this is. More interior stuff. More interior stuff.
There's a label on that one.
Look at this. A Holly 4-barrel. Vacuum secondaries. Not sure how the choke works. Looks like it might be a choke stove choke. It's not frozen, so it's probably worth rebuilding. Oh, I don't know what this is. This is something my dad invented. I'm sure it works great for whatever it's supposed to be for. His inventions usually do. The bumpers that were once chromed, the problem with this kit is their chrome plating was terrible. They did not do well with their chrome plating. So most of the chrome is rusted. But fortunately, most of the chrome I'm either painting black or not having it at all. So that's awesome. These are the bumper corners for the back. This, I believe, the front bumper. These are the bows for the roof, for the top.
Yep.
That is so cool. I did not expect to get any of that stuff. Oh, I'm so happy right now. You have no idea the cool stuff that's in this.
There's more hinges down there on the ground.
This is a bug deflector. Well, I don't know what I'm going to use that for, but it's for like a pickup truck, but I'll hang on to it. I might be able, yeah, there's more parts down there on the ground. I am curious about this rear end. Oh yeah, I didn't know you had a roof for it. The top. I didn't know you had the convertible top.
Found the mouse nest. It's in the stove.
Oh. The mice are living in this RV stove, so we'll just move their home over there.
Find the front windshield.
Yep. Found the windshield. Most of the interior. Good. All kinds of cool stuff.
This must be where we stuck all the stuff from out of the maxi van.
Probably.
Underneath.
What is this for?
That? This looks like a heater for a RV or something.
It probably came out of the maxi van.
Yeah, that's the heater for the maxi van.
Ah, well said. Turn it up the other way so that the rain doesn't get in it.
Well, let's pull the hood off of there. How's the batteries doing?
I can't tell.
Let me see.
It's too close for me to read.
Batteries are fine. Okay. Let's pull the hood off and take a look at this motor.
Why? Be careful, there might be an animal in there.
Well, we already found a mouse.
You're in your own shadow.
Oh, mouse on the top of the engine.
Is there?
Yep.
Where I don't see him.
No, he ran down in.
Okay.
He's like on top of the water pump almost.
Okay, let me see.
Got a nest here of an insect.
Yeah. Oh, he just ran underneath the car. But that's a 289. And, you know, one thing about a 289, any kind of Ford, you got to have a screwdriver handy at all times. So you just keep one right there on top of the motor.
Wait, this is 280, and this is 2.
302, sorry.
Yeah.
302. The steer, and look at that, even got a chain for pulling the motor, even though the motor drops out the bottom.
Let me use your cane for a minute.
And got an electric fan. That's awesome, because there is no room for a fan. There's the radiator. 302 with an automatic, and looks like there's even some exhaust system that's been run on this.
Oh yeah.
I have no idea what I have to work with here, so
Something else sticking out.
it's just, I don't know where it ends, because it doesn't come back here.
Talking on the telephone to his radio.
So
Oh yeah.
this is going to be fun.
You guys were going to take me out to find other parts. I think I can find the part that you're looking that you don't see.
Oh, I think I have them over here. The parts I'm not seeing, the only parts I'm not seeing is the, what do you call it? I don't remember what it was. Oh,
The gas tank.
well, I don't think it had a gas tank.
What?
I don't think it had a gas tank. I don't think you had a gas tank.
Did you look behind the old garage?
Yes. We'll look again though.
Yeah,
'Cause
Nay, there's something still
Here's
under
the
there.
dashboard. This is so cool. There's the hanger straps for the gas tank.
I have on that thing.
Yeah. So I don't have to build a dashboard because there's already a dashboard. There's so much I don't have to do on this, and there's so much I do have to do on this. It's perfect. The key's even in the ignition.
Yeah.
Once we get the body in place, I can finish the door cutouts. Once we get the body securely down where it belongs.
No.
And this should make a really cool little tiny pickup bed. Doesn't that look like a pickup bed right there?
That's good.
It sure does. Looks like a pickup bed to me. I don't know, it's just a thought.
Well,
I'm just
it's
imagining.
your dream now.
Yeah, I know. So we got to get air in these
There
tires.
should be a trailer hitch on this too.
I think we have the trailer hitch, but it's not installed yet. But there will be, because especially if it ends up being a pickup, you
Right.
got to have a trailer
Put
hitch.
this framework on here for that purpose.
Very good.
It's not stock. It's not stock, that's for sure.
Stock? That's like a dirty word.
Yeah.
That's a tire for it.
Yeah, spare tire.
Okay.
The reason they put this big box back here when they manufactured it was they had to hide the Volkswagen engine somewhere.
Yeah.
And if they went with the Pinto version, they put the Pinto 4-cylinder in this hole.
Yeah.
But I was reading the manual, and in the manual it says that it's strong enough to handle a V8.
Well, you know what? There's one in there.
And so the fact that we have a 302 and it was designed to be able to handle the 302, I don't have to worry about structural strength of the frame. Besides, I'm looking at the frame and it's plenty
I'm
strong.
trying to show you a couple things.
So, okay, show me what you need to show me.
Well, actually, they're covered up. The shifter's even in there.
Yes, I saw that shifter. That's an interesting shifter.
Hey. Yeah. Okay, that's all hooked up.
It's all I can hear it shifting the transmission. And I can see it.
Because I couldn't remember how far I got with this project.
Yeah, well, it's been a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, Domani's been here 5 years at least.
Yamani's been here 9 years.
What concerned me
Quit when she
Was
moved up.
was the girth of the people that's going to ride in this thing.
Well, I think once we finish cutting out the doorways,
You may have to alter it a little.
yeah, well, I'm not
This is
opposed to
not
that.
What came with
Yeah, I know. I saw the seats that came with it. They are really a piece of work.
See them hinges and things?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just have to get down there to pick them up. They fell out. The
Okay.
box fell apart
Oh,
that
okay.
they were in.
Well, I probably
and-
have another box.
Oh, I brought boxes,
Oh, okay.
special boxes just for this project. So, which I need to go get.
Looks like the tires are pretty much up on it.
Well, there's hardly any weight on them, but they are
Yeah, well,
they are flat.
move it.
They're low. They're at least low.
Yep. They're in a hole. They're all in holes.
Yeah, and they're sitting in holes in the ground, but
Yeah,
they give when I push on them. Man, they're brand new. Still got the nipples on these tires.
yeah.
That is awesome.
Now we bought new tires for it.
Boy, I got one of my.
And this is the lowest tire right here,
Yeah.
and it's holding there. What's that?
One of those high-powered coils are on there.
It has a 2-barrel on it, But there's a 4-barrel sitting right over there,
Oh, okay.
and I can get a 4-barrel intake real easy.
This here and the pedal seam keeps you from pulling the motor out this way.
Yeah, but it'll drop out the bottom, right?
Yeah, there's a little